This well cared for 2008 Highlander is in great condition. It looks amazing in Salsa Red and features rear privacy glass and 19-inch alloy wheels. This clean SUV shows well from all angles and includes a color-matched rear spoiler, bumper protector, silver roof rails, and all-wheel drive badging. Opening the hatch reveals a spacious cargo area that includes a security cover. From the driver's side, this sporty Highlander looks upscale with tinted glass, a chrome grille, and driving lights. Inside the well-appointed cabin, you'll find leather upholstery, air conditioning, power windows and locks, cruise control, heated power seats, a leather-wrapped wheel with tilt, a power sunroof, and a great-sounding JBL AM FM CD display audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, and a backup camera. In the back, there's second-row captain chair seating with fold-down armrests, a drop-down center console, and plenty of legroom for your passengers. The engine bay is factory fresh and power comes from a 3.5-liter V6 mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Don't wait on this one. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located on Leathead Road in Kelowna.